2019 brought one of the most successful mid-range phone of the year named Galaxy A50. Later on was announced the Galaxy A50s, who borrowed about the same specification and design from Galaxy A50. Now, after more than a year, Samsung launching Galaxy A51, which may become the new hit of the year. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing and see what brings it new and what set it apart from the Galaxy A50. So this phone was announced on 2019 on December, and also it's been released on 2019 December. So today we're gonna open this box. It's sealed, if you can see, and we're gonna find out what it's hiding. So we don't have too much on the box, only the phone with model A51. And let's have a look on this small specification. So we got Prism Crush Black 128 gigabytes of memory, and we got some weight dimensions, but we're gonna go through all of that once we open the box. So that's it, no more sealed, and let's open the box. Quite easy. And we got probably some paperwork here. Let's have a look. Oh, this is the key to open the SIM tray, and well, voila, we got the case already in the box. That's nice from them, and a lot of papers, which I don't know how many of you still reading the paperwork, or maybe do the setup from the papers, but that's good. So we got the phone here. Also we got an European charger. No, it's not European because it's got this 2-pin, probably it's an US charger, and the output probably it's 9 and 1.6, which it makes in like 15 watts fast charging, like they said. What else we got? We got probably USB Type-C cable right here, yeah. And we got, what else? What's this? In-ear headphones, yeah, that's it. So I've been supplied also with an UK charger from Samsung, but this one only can charge up to 10 watts, if you can see here. 5 multiplied by 2, and you're gonna find out how fast can charge your phone. So let's move on the phone now. This is it. Let's unpeel this one. It's quite easy, and this is the phone. It did came on this Prism Crush Black, and you can see all the shapes from the back now, which is different than Galaxy A50 from last year, which had only that blue color or white or even black, but we didn't look that beautiful on the back. This one also was on Galaxy A50s. So now on the back you can see we got 4 cameras now in that L shape, and we got that LED flash also on the back. So let's see what else we got. So on the top, not too much, if you can see, and let's have a look, see if this Galaxy A51, it's a dual SIM plus a micro SD. Yeah, wow, this is really nice. So we can put 2 nano SIM plus a micro SD, which is really good. So that's a big plus again. So yeah, today we're gonna find out also if this one is coming with some more improvements, or is just an update and not an upgrade. So the first plus would be these 4 cameras and probably the design. So what else we got? On the right side we got the power button, and also 2 buttons for the volume up and down, and on the bottom here we got jack audio and the USB Type-C, which support 15 watts fast charging. And we got this speaker grill on the bottom, and it's another one quite here on the top. So let's start the phone. You can see already the camera, which it's already fit on the screen. So they moved from that infinity U shape from Galaxy A50 to this infinity O display on Galaxy A51, which in my opinion looks much better, and I prefer this one. Also this cutout, it makes to look more like the premium phones, like new launching Galaxy S20 on this February. And yeah, you can have a look straight away to the phone, and it's looking really good, I have to say that. So let's move on to the settings quick. And this is Galaxy A51. We got the 6.5 inch, probably 1 inch more than Galaxy A50 from the last year, with 87.4 screen to body ratio, and we got 1080 per 2400 pixels with 20:9 ratio and 405 ppi density. That's really good, and display looks amazing. Of course, it's in Super AMOLED, 16 million colors, and this cutout, it makes him to look like I said, a very premium phone. And the price still a bit high at this moment, so you're not gonna find this less than probably 300 pounds, unless if you don't buy it from China. And buying it from China, you can get the version with 6 GB of RAM, because this one is with 4 GB of RAM, and probably a little bit more cheaper. Also, the Galaxy A50 remained quite high on the prices, with around 250 pounds, let's say. So we got a weight of 172 grams, and the thickness is 7.9 millimeters, and we got Cornera Gorilla Glass 3, and the back it's made from plastic plus that glass, which they call it Glastic. So it's a mix from plastic and glass. Would be a little bit more hard to be break it, but it's gonna be easy to scratch it all over. So we got an Android 10 now, One UI 2. So we move from that One UI from Galaxy 50 and Android 9. So yeah, we got Android 10 on this one. Let's go through the settings, and let's have a look on about the phone. Galaxy A51, if you can see, model number A51-S, and not too much. We got the battery information, not charging battery level 56%, and we can see the battery capacity, which is 4000 mAh on 15 watts fast charging. Inside we got the chipset, which is an Exynos 9611, which is not that much improvement from last year, which was 9610. Both of the chipset on 10 nanometers, and the GPU, it's the same Mali G72. So this was not a big upgrade on the probably performance, so I expect to be quite similar with Galaxy A50 from last year. So we got also the same menu. We got the brightness, we got the dark mode, yeah, dark mode here, blue light filter, and front side screen zoom, so we can set up how much you want to see the letters. Home screen, easy mode, edge screen. Okay, that's it. So we got a panel now, which is really good. It's like on Samsung S9, if you remember that. That's really good. I like this. I don't remember to see that on Galaxy A50, honestly, which I like it now. And we got edge lightening. Tap the notification to open the app, or swipe the notification down to open the app in a pop-up. That's it. So it's pretty much the same menu from Galaxy 50 from last year. And now let's move quick on the camera, because this one is coming with 4 cameras on this moment. So we got a setup of 4 cameras with a big 48 megapixel sensor, and we got another ultra wide of 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel dedicated macro camera, plus another 5 megapixel deep sensor on this moment. So it's an improvement from that triple camera from Galaxy A50, and probably we're gonna do a comparison video between these two phones. On the front also we got 32 megapixel camera, yeah, which also it's a more improvement than Galaxy A50 with 25 megapixel camera. We can switch between wide and ultra wide, and also we can shoot videos on 4K, if you can see, Ultra HD now, because Galaxy A50 didn't have this option, only full HD for Galaxy A50, but you're not gonna have the stabilization on Ultra HD mode. So probably I would prefer to keep it on full HD to be more steady while I'm recording a video. And again, on the front camera, which this cut out, we got also an Ultra HD options to record, and like I said, I will keep it probably on full HD at the moment. And we got the video stabilizations right here. Let's see what else we got on video mode. So we got the steady mode, super steady, it's on, so this is helping if you got a shaky hand. So you can change from 16:9 or 1:1 or full. I will keep it on 16:9 and on that steady mode. And what else we got here? AR doodle to take pictures and record video. That's interesting. That's another options. Find a face. So probably you got a few animations right here. Maybe later, new Galaxy. And what else we got? We got more. So we got the Pro mode, panorama, macro, food, night, super slow-mo, and hyperlapse. So we got a few options, which I like it. They make like a little tab button, so you can choose from which one you like it, and make this more simple on the bottom right here. That's it with the camera, which was quite interesting. Let's move on the K menu now. So we got the same options probably like on Galaxy 50. Remember that Galaxy 50 had the NFC, which probably some of you didn't had it. Depends again of the zone where did you buy the phone. So we got Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, audio, rotate, mobile data, power mode, torch, flight mode, link to window. This is new, we didn't have this one on Galaxy 50. Location, smart view, do not disturb, secure folder, edge lightening, dark mode, Dolby Atmos, probably only when you put the earphones on, phone visibility, and what's this button? Oh, we can switch the power off or restart from that K menu very quick now. And let's see what else we can find. Okay, not that much, that's it. Okay, and now because this Galaxy 50 is coming also with fingerprint scanner in the screen, we're just gonna go quick on the settings on biometrics and security, and we can register our fingerprint. Continue, and on the following days we're gonna test this out against the Galaxy 50, because on that recent poll you vote that you want to see a test between these two phones on a fingerprint test. I know it's a silly test, but would be interesting to see any differences, any improvements from last year model to this one. So we're gonna test that out in the following days, so keep up on the channel. Seems that it's taking a while. Change the position of your finger, scan the fingerprint. Okay, continue. Okay, one more time. That's it, fingerprint added, done. Backup, no. So let's have a look. With the screen off. Yeah, it's working. Screen off again. Interesting. Looks quite fast, honestly. Galaxy 50 became a bit faster after a few updates. So this was the unboxing. Was quite a long unboxing like usual, and hope you like it. We're gonna come back soon with even more videos, comparison, speed test between this one and other phones, and probably a few videos between this one and Galaxy A50 on the following days. So keep up on the channel, and if you want, give it a like, share, subscribe it, and what else can I say? Until next time, peace guys.